Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is my favorite country. Number 1 line. My favorite country is India. Number 2. India is known for its rich history and culture. Number 3. It's the seventh largest country in the world. Number 4. The capital city of India is New Delhi. Number 5. India has beautiful places like the Taj Mahal and Red Fort. Number 6. Hindi is the most widely spoken language in India. Number 7. India is famous for festivals like Diwali and Holi. Number 8. The Indian flag has three colors: saffron, white, and green. Number 9. India's national animal is the Bengal tiger. Number 10. India is known for its delicious and spicy food. Number 11. The people of India are friendly and hardworking. Number 12. Cricket is the most popular sport in the country. Number 13. India is a land of many religions and traditions. Number 14. The country has a fast growing technology sector. Number 15. I love India because it is full of beauty, unity, and diversity. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.